Hello. To use Camera Pro Mode on the Redmi Note 14, first of all you have to go into the Camera Pro Mode, and it might be available somewhere here, but in case it is not, you have to swipe to the right. Right here you have to have selected More and go into Pro Mode right there. It might be available right there. So yeah, and here we have a lot of the options for the Pro Mode, and we will start from the top. Here we can enable the flashlight. Here's the menu with all the available options, and here's also the flashlight, aspect ratio, grid lines, auto export settings. We can also, as you can see, take a 108 megapixels Ultra HD pictures. We have the timers and voice shutter and other different things, also watermark. But yeah, and here are all the functions which we can use with the Pro Mode. And in case you want to learn about these options, here is this information icon. You simply press on it, and here are all the descriptions of all these available options here. So yeah, right there we have the white balance. As you can see, we have the automatic focus. I believe we can enable the automatic focus or manual focus. Here is the shutter speed. Right there we have the ISO, and the next is the exposure. Yes, this is the exposure. And in case you make some changes, you can basically turn on manually the default values, but if in case you made some changes, there is the button to reset parameters, as you can see. Right here we can switch between ultra wide lens and the regular lens. Here are some filters. We can apply filters to our pictures, as you can see. Here are a lot of them. What do we have next? Actually nothing much though. We also have it here, parameter presets, and we can select the non-preset. We can add ourselves the parameters. Right there we have the preview of which parameters we are saving, and we can name our parameter, I mean our preset. We can import presets, and here are two available presets which came like pre-installed with this phone. So yeah, I think that's basically all about the Camera Pro Mode in the Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.